Hello, and welcome to this week's Tween DIY video. My name is Kinsey Heisel, and I'm the Youth Services Librarian here at the Boyle County Public Library. Make sure you have your bag of supplies nearby and a good place to set up. This week, we'll be making a memory card game. Alright, so first we'll go through what you'll need, and then I'll take you step by step through how to make the memory card game. Let's get started! Let's go through our bag for the supplies that you'll need. You'll first find pages from a recycled book. So all of these come from the first Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. Sometimes a book is damaged and we have to pull it from the collection, and we like to upcycle the pages by using them in different crafts, such as this one. If you don't want to use these pages for your memory card, you can find photos around your home or old magazines to do your own upcycling. Really whatever images you want to use, as long as they match. Next, you'll need your cardboard squares. So that's what comes in your bag for your memory card game, and you'll need a few other items from your home. You'll need some scissors to cut out the pages, and you'll need either tape or glue, something to adhere the pages onto your squares. I'm going to use double-sided tape because that's what I have in my home, but if you have glue or anything else like that, you're welcome to use that as well. So the first step will be prepping your pages for what you'll want to put on your cardboard squares. So in your bag, you'll have gotten 2 sets of the same pages. And this is important because the memory game is all about matching. That's how you play. So the images that you cut out need to match. So you'll take one of your squares, and you'll find an image that you like on your sheet. I'll use this one. So you can use a pencil to trace. I'm just going to hold it over my page and then cut it out. So there is one of my squares. You'll do this for the rest of your pages until you have as many images as you need so that there's one for each of your squares. And remember, you'll need matching images. You should have 20 of the cardboard squares that came in your kit, so you'll need 10 matching images. So go ahead and cut those out. After you've prepared all of your paper that go with your squares, then you'll put them on. So like I said, I'm going to use my double-sided tape to attach the image to my square. Alright, so that's my first tile for the game, and you'll do this for the rest of the tiles that you have. Once you have all of your tiles prepped, you'll be ready to play the memory card game. So in case you're unfamiliar with the rules, I'll quickly go over it. To play, you'll take all of your tiles and lay them out in a grid pattern like this. And the goal is to flip over tiles until you find the matching pair. That's why it's important to have matching images. So you'll flip them over until you find the matching ones. Now, as you do this, you'll take turns with the people you're playing with, or you can play on your own. So each turn, you flip over a pair. If you're correct, they stay up. If you're wrong, they flip back over. And then you'll go around and see who can find the most pairs in your memory card game. In case those instructions were confusing, I'll go ahead and put the slide with the complete instructions in this video right now. All right, thanks so much for watching this week's video on how to play our memory card game. I hope that you enjoyed it, and it's a fun game that you can now play at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye!